Radionuclide testing. The radionuclides test, or you may have heard it called radio for short, is a test required by the EPA on drinking water. So what are radionuclides, and why do we test for them in drinking water? A nuclide is a general term applicable to all atomic forms of an element. A radionuclide is an unstable form of a nuclide. They may occur naturally, but can also be artificially produced. Most drinking water sources have very low levels of radioactive contaminants called radionuclides. Most are naturally occurring, although contamination of drinking water sources from human-made nuclear materials can also occur. Of the small percentage of drinking water systems with radioactive contaminant levels high enough to be of concern, most of the radioactivity is naturally occurring. Certain rock types have naturally occurring radioactive elements. Most radioactive contaminants are at levels that are low enough to not be considered a public health concern. At higher levels, long-term exposure to radionuclides in drinking water may cause cancer. In addition, exposure to uranium in drinking water may cause toxic effects to the kidneys. The radionuclides that are regulated by the EPA and included in the radio tests performed by NOVA are combined radium-226 and 228, adjusted gross alpha, beta particle and photon radioactivity, and uranium. All occur naturally in some drinking water sources, with the exception of beta particles and photon radioactivity, which may occur due to contamination from facilities using or producing radioactive materials. To learn more about radionuclides in drinking water, or to have your water tested for radionuclides, contact NOVA today. NOVA's team of scientists are always available to discuss sample collection, testing, or your test results should you have any questions or concerns about your drinking water.